Hello and welcome to the third lecture of Basic YouTube Video course. In this lecture, we will discuss what is YouTube SEO and what are free and paid tools which will help us to get our videos on that sweet spot that every YouTuber is looking for. Before I get to today's topic, if you missed previous lecture which was about how to get your first 1000 subscriber on your new channel, you should go and watch that video. I will link down in the description as well as in the cards above. So let's get started. As we all know that YouTube is the second biggest search engine having 2 billion user base. And people come here and search on YouTube and we need to put our video in that search result. That is what we call as SEO, search engine optimization. We optimize our videos so it appears in search results. Now we all know that YouTube is an algorithm based website and we need to satisfy that algorithm and use some techniques to put our video in the search results. In this video we will discuss all techniques that I know about how to rank your video on YouTube search, and I will also discuss few tools which will help us to get our SEO tools and save a lot of our time. So the first thing I am going to discuss is keyword. What is keyword? Keyword is the word around which whole video revolves. So the main theme, the main topic of the video is called keyword. So the example I am quoting here is, for example, you want to teach recipe of club sandwich. So the club sandwich recipe is the keyword here. Your title, description, tags, and your thumbnail will revolve around club sandwich. This is your keyword. Another example will be, for example, you are teaching someone to use specific tools, and that would be Canon M50 camera. So you want to teach how to use Canon M50 camera. That is your keyword. Whole video revolve around your content, your title, description, tags, and thumbnail will revolve around and include Canon M50 in that. So that is your keyword, which is very important. The best way to find your keyword is go on the YouTube search option and write down your keyword. For example, you want to make video on how to use Canon M50, just search that there and YouTube will automatically give you few suggestions, and these are the suggestions that people are looking for. The first part of your title should have keyword, and in first 20 words of description you should include your keyword. You can include other keywords as well, and then in tags your 3 main keywords should be on the top of all other tags. And obviously if you are going to make video on tutorials of M50, then you should include M50 camera in your thumbnail to get more CTR. The second most important part of ranking video in YouTube search is CTR, which means click through rate, and it depends upon title, description, thumbnail, and tags. Same is the case as keyword. So you have to use your thumbnail wisely, and it is measured in percentages. So I will explain in very simple terms that, for example, YouTube show your video to 100 people and then YouTube measures that how many people in those 100 people clicked on your thumbnail or your video. Around 80% of the videos on YouTube have less than 5% of click-through rate. So you have to target at least above 5% of CTR, then you might have chance to go into the search results. Thumbnails play a very important part in CTR rate, because when video appear in someone's search results or someone home or someone recommendation section, the only thing that attracts a lot of attention is your thumbnail. So you have to focus on your thumbnail. You should use bold text. You should include the product that you are going to talk about, and you should use contrasting color. You can see my thumbnails. I work around my thumbnails and put a lot of effort, shoot my pictures separately to get good thumbnails, which really gets attention of the people. So my channel CTR rate is 11.5% and few of my previous video got more than 6% of CTR rate. Few of my video are performing low and then I go back and change title or change their thumbnails, and it helps a lot. It improves their CTR over a period of time. So the third thing I am going to discuss is post engagement, which means that once you make a very good video, upload it, check all the boxes of CTR rate and then put video in front of people. Now people are clicking on your video and watching your video. YouTube will measure for how long your average video is watched. If people are watching your video more than 20 or 30%, that is a sign of positivity. But if people are leaving your video after a few seconds, that will negatively affect your video, and YouTube will never recommend your video in search option. So the YouTube algorithm measure that you have good CTR rate, which means that you have very good thumbnail, you have very good title, but it may be misleading because people are not watching even 10 seconds or 20 seconds of your video. The first 10 seconds are very important, and if you pass 30 seconds, it will help your video a lot. The idea of YouTube is to keep audience on YouTube for as long as you can. That's why YouTube algorithm favors lengthy videos such as live gaming streamings, live videos, and then podcasts. So my suggestion is to make lengthy videos, and you should at least target for 8 minutes. Videos which are between 8 to 14 minutes tend to perform better. The question is how to improve your revenue with same video, and the answer is you can include multiple ads if you are making videos at least 8 minutes. If your video is under 8 minutes, you cannot include more ads as specified by YouTube, because you cannot add mid-rolls or you cannot add ads at the specific location that you want. So to include more ads, you should target for more than 8 minutes. So now I am going to discuss two tools which are free, and they also have paid version with more feature which help us in YouTube SEO and optimize and help us to optimize our videos. And these two tools are vidIQ and TubeBuddy. I use free version of TubeBuddies for over a year, and then I decided to go and try my paid version, and I like paid version much more than free version because I have more features and I can specifically target keywords and see how much traffic is coming on each topic. So now we will head to the screen and I'll show you how TubeBuddy works and how it can help us in optimizing our video. This is not a sponsored video. I am paying TubeBuddy from my own pocket. So the review you are going to see is of my personal experience, and I like TubeBuddy a lot. So let's get to the screen and find out about TubeBuddy. So now we are on the screen, and now we will install extension of TubeBuddy on our Google Chrome. So we can use it on our channel, TubeBuddy extension for Chrome, and then we will get to the TubeBuddy extension and we will install it, and I already have that, so I don't have to install it. So then we will go on YouTube. So when you are on your YouTube studio, you can see this icon here near to the search option. Then click on it and a screen will pop up in front of you. You can see my name and then the license Pro. So I have the paid version which is called Pro, and I pay around $9 or $10 something, I don't know. So if you pay for whole year, it is less than $9 a month. On the right side you can see dashboard, videos, playlist, comments, analytics, extension tools. This is important. And then you can see popular tools and feature, keyword explorer. You can explore keyword, click magnet, it's for the thumbnail, and it also generates thumbnail for you from your video. And then health report of your channel, and video testing, A/B, which topic you should choose, which title you should choose among two. And then bulk processing, if you are uploading a lot of videos at the same time, TubeBuddy can help. The best practice checks, these are very important. So it reminds you what to do. For example, to pin a comment, it helps a lot. To reply to comments, and to add to playlist, and add captions, better titles, add good quality thumbnail, etc. This video analytics is very important. If you have this video analytics, and if you go on any video and if you click and open that video, this analytics will show you everything about that video. For example, if we go on YouTube and open any video, for example, I am just giving an example. So you can see on the left side all the analytics of this video. Here is summary, 4.2 million views for this video, 6,000 comments, how many likes, how many dislike, and below that SEO result, it's 80% score. So below that, how many likes on Facebook. Normally you don't find these analytics if you watch video without these analytics. For example, you would never know how many upvotes you have on Reddit, how many likes you have on Facebook, or what are the channel views, which is 53.9 million views, and subscriber. You can see that how many videos uploaded, 20 videos. What are the tags? You can also see tags here. So these are all tags they used, still they got 4.2 million views. You can see that. I also have few other extension. For example, this keyword, this is also an extension which helps me to find specific keywords from the videos. So coming back on our first screen, if we come here and click on the first option, the keyword research, launch keyword explorer now. You can click here and search anything. For example, I'll say YouTube SEO. So it is showing that this is a poor keyword, don't use it. Below that, it can show you the search volume is very good. Red is worse, green is excellent. And then the competition is poor because there is a lot of competition. This hashtag in the videos in search result, 8.58 million videos have this hashtag in their videos. So you are competing with a lot of people. And monthly hashtag searches, 128,000 people are searching this hashtag every month. And you versus top ranked video, the top ranked video is 32,000 views, and then 26.7 is the average, and mine is 640 views. And then you can see related tags and all the tags here, then common tags, video tags, web searches, what kind of web search people are looking for, and then video topics. TubeBuddy is suggesting you and giving you better option. For example, if I go on YouTube SEO 2021, it will be better than the one I searched for. See, the score is 54 out of 100 and it lies in the good vetted position. If you click on SEO Studio, this is very important. So this SEO Studio helps you a lot, and it takes burden from thinking about topic, thinking about keyword, thinking about description. It takes everything out and just put few words and it will work for you. For example, I will say YouTube SEO. YouTube SEO is on the top in title. It already included in the title, already included in first line of the description. So if you come here, your TubeBuddy SEO score is 0. Now it says target keyword, YouTube SEO. How to improve your score? It is also showing you how to improve. Include your target keyword in the title. We already did that. Free tools for SEO, YouTube SEO. Look at the score. We already got 60% score on YouTube SEO. And we check mark few boxes, that is include your target in the keyword title, include 80% of your target in the keyword title, include your target keyword in first 60 characters of title, include your target keyword naturally in the title. And the two are remaining, include your target keyword in first 200 characters of description, include partial matches of your target keyword in description as well. So now we have to include our title, we have to include our keyword in our description, and then we have to use other keyword that we are going to target as well. So I will say this video is about, look at the score now, YouTube SEO, and I will discuss free tools for YouTube SEO. The score went to 81% and now it's 90%. See how it works? I'm just giving an example, but if you want to look at the proper description, just head down to my video's description and you will find a template. Just copy that template, make few changes and use it for your own use. And then we will click next. Now look at the beauty of paid version of TubeBuddy. You have all the tags already here, and these are the best tags, but you need to keep your eyes open, because for example this YouTube SEO Bangla tutorial, I don't want that because this is not in Bengali language. I am going to target English, so I have to choose a little bit wisely. It just takes few clicks. YouTube SEO software, and YouTube SEO course for beginners. Okay, so the first 3 or 4 tags should target your keyword. The next 3 tags should target keyword relevant to the keyword, and then the last one should generalize the question. For example, freelancing, YouTube SEO, stuff like that. You can copy title and include that in your description as well as in your tag, but please do it naturally. Do not go off the way and do not do things which people are not searching on YouTube. So include more relevant keyword tags. That's what they are saying, and we will find more. You can see how many are there. So there are 500 alphabet capacity. You can make all as much as you want. So these are the search options that will appear in front of you, and you can compare your video with them. This is your video, and then all these other are others video, and now it's giving you suggestion for thumbnail. And if you click here, you can upload your thumbnail here, and if you click next and then save the draft and use it. This is one of many and few features that are available on TubeBuddy, and just go and use the free version of vidIQ or TubeBuddy as well as the paid version, because if you click on the link in the description, you will get 1 month free paid version of TubeBuddy. So just go and include your credit card. They will not take any money, they will not deduct any money, and if you want to stop it before 1 month, you can stop that, otherwise they will deduct from next month. So 1 whole month free for using all features of TubeBuddy for free. So I would suggest just go on TubeBuddy and get the extension and start using it. You can always use free version, but this is the opportunity to use full paid version for 1 month for $0. Just put your credit card, they will not deduct any money, they will give you access to all features. Just use it for 1 month and you will see the magic of TubeBuddy on your YouTube channel. It will increase your CPM rate, it will increase your CTR rate, it will increase your views, it will bring you in the limelight that you are looking for. Even if your account don't have any money, just attach your credit card or debit card with it and start enjoying TubeBuddy for 1 whole month. Before I end the video, I would like to add few more bonus tips which will help you to get your videos in right direction. There are still a lot to discuss about YouTube SEO, but this course is entirely on basics of YouTube. So any new person who is here should learn and should know about little bit about SEO and how to rank your video on YouTube and get started from here. The 3 bonus tips I am going to discuss are: number 1 is use parentheses in your video title. So your video title, for example, your video title is YouTube SEO, then put parentheses YouTube SEO course in 2021 and close the parentheses. So utilize your title space and put a secondary keyword there in the title. Number 2 is include year in your title. So if you start including 2021 this year in your video's title, it will blow your mind and see the result, because 2021 is the target keyword. And number 3 is target for suggested video. Instead of going for direct video search results on YouTube, you should target for suggested video. Suggested video means when your video start appearing in the suggested box of audience of a very huge channel. If your video start appearing next to Peter McKinnon video in suggestion box, there is a chance that people will watch your video. And how you can do that? Using the same keywords that Peter McKinnon is using, then YouTube will automatically put your video in that class, in that category, and then it will bring your video in the suggestion box of Peter McKinnon. So guys, this was all about YouTube SEO and paid and free tools. So I would like to know which tool you are using right now for your YouTube optimization. Either it's vidIQ or TubeBuddy, and why you are using that tool. Do let me know in the comment box below, and please subscribe to this channel so we get connected and learn together to grow. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.